We outside. Show off the powered by SRT symbol. That's how you know you got a V8. The hood difference. Right. We got the GT over here. Right, Furry?
Gotta get the builder.
I got to get the Brembo brakes. And then we got the Scatty. What?
So I'm gonna move the car's arrow.
Ooh.
From looking that way. So since you're recording, I want to move the GT.
You want him
to try to arrow it out. So I'm gonna let him go first, so I can try to come back and see from that side. Arrow, like yeah. You want the car facing the so you can get the motor in the back? Yeah, facing this one. This nigga loves that facing this one.
Bet.
He loves that building.
That building is fire though. So if you aim it that way, that'd be fire.
Damn, you're short.
I am. I got little legs. Don't judge me, y'all. I got little legs. Like, there, look, it's the cross tour. This is where we came up from, yo. That's so crazy. We literally came up from that. We came up from that to these. Yeah. You driving my whipski? Yeah. She looks so nice. Oh my god. Yeah, it looks nice.
Keep the wheels like that. Keep the wheels like that.
Yeah, that looks really sick. Damn, that shit look nice. Look at it, the black in the sun. It's just reflecting. This is behind the scenes of our pictures. All right, that's fire. We got the Scat Pack seats, the interior. Yes, sir.
The Scat Pack. Damn, these brakes is crazy.
Pull up at Sonic. On this beautiful day. I'm glad you got that on your dash cam though. Them cutting up. I know, that's why I was like, yo, that shit's gonna be sick. Oh, right there.
Oh my god.
That's low-key fire. Someone's revving. Oh, look at that zoo.
I knew it.
Look at that vet. Damn, look at that vet though. Shit, it has the Batman on it. Oh my god, it's the Batmobile. Nah, it's Lino. Look at that Lino.
Yeah, I can wash mine at like 6 or 8.
Let me meet y'all. Oh shit. Nah, look at the inside though. That shit's sick. I love that wing. Alright, let's follow them. Lights on that thing.
Underrated the white line.
Where?
I know, look at the next one to get my shit done already, bro. Like, it's almost done. Last time was at the board. Right here in Slater.
It's the clown cars. Yeah, we saw them last time. The clown rat. We should go around. Or? Wait a minute. They slam. I like
That's what I had in my mind. Yeah, some better ones.
these. Ghost girl, look. Oh my god, I love it. It's cute.
It's the guy right there, baby.
They're over there. That's noise.
Push him out of the way. Side swipes the fuck out.
Al corillo entero los voy a engrasar. La vida es bonita, la voy a abrazar. Trabajando con cojones.
Oh hell, he's about to blast that shit. No, not the Challenger too. No way. Oh my god.
How nice it looks. It is nice. Slam truck. Slam truck, bro. Boy. I am gonna hold you green. I love how they slam the Hondas. Look at the back wheel on that. Hold on. Taking the flicks. Oh, we got the little Betty over here. Oh my god, don't tell me you could buy your own little thing right here. I know I was about to say, let me get the Corvette. I'm over here distracted by those. I'm like, how did I buy one for that fucking car? That shit nice. Hold on, let me see the back. Cause that's like, wait, let me get this. It's too zoomed in. Alright, that's better. Ooh, you look good. That's so fire. I gotta blur out the license plate, but like, that's fire. Yeah. That's a pretty active meet tonight, bro. Nice. Look at the Cadillac. That's fire. Wait, I gotta sit here and... Oh, sorry, excuse me. I know, I'm over here looking at the Cadillac. You know I love Cadillac. I love caddies. That's just nice. I respect what he did to it. Damn. Damn. My ears are popping.
Popping all the way out.
That ass. Next to the vet. Next to the challenge. Live.
Come on, send it. I got a CBT. Don't do nothing. Nothing. Do that.
This shit's fucking acting, bro. This is what I mean when I say we outside, bro.